Hello friends, in this video we will do the subnetting of class B at /22. First of all, get open bits. Formula is CIDR minus default mask. 22 minus 16 is equal to 6 x value. Then close bits 32 minus CIDR 32 minus 22 10 y value. Now we will get here total subnets. Then formula is 2 raised to x, 2 raised to 6, 64 subnets. Total hosts per subnet 2 raised to y minus 2, 2 raised to 10 minus 2. When 2 raised to 10 value is 2048 minus 2, 2046 valid host per subnet. Block size will be 256. When 6 bits are on, then your decimal value is 252. Then block size is here 4. Let's start. 172.16.00, 172.16 4.0, 172.16 8.0. It will go till 172.16 252.0. First host, last host and broadcast address. Last host, broadcast address. First host will be, first 16 bits will remain common, 0.1. Then if you want complete IP address, then please have patience. 172.16.0.1. then second subnet 172.16.4.1, 172.16.8.1, and last 172.16.252.1. Last host will be 172.16.3.254, 3.255, 172.16.7.254, 7.255, 172.16. next will be 12.0, so 11.254, 11.255. here 172.16.255.254, 172.16.255.255. yes, again I am repeating. When we are doing subnetting of class B at /22, first of all, get open bits. CIDR minus default mask. CIDR value is 22 minus 16, 6 x value. Then we have to get close bits. 32 minus CIDR, 32 minus 22, 10. Total subnets will be 64 and host per subnet will be 2046. Total hosts are 64. Block size is 4 and it will go till 252. 252 divided by 4, you will get 63 plus 0 subnet. 63 plus 1 is equal to 64. Thank you.